Let me ask you a simple question. Why do so many smart, hardworking traders still lose money in the markets? It's not because they don't know enough strategies. It's not because they don't have indicators. And it's definitely not because the market is against them. It's because they're trading with the wrong mindset. Now, if you're thinking, mindset sounds vague, I just need a better strategy, I get it. Most beginners think the same way. I did too. When people start trading, they believe profitability comes from finding the perfect setup, the perfect indicator, the perfect entry, the perfect YouTube strategy. So they jump from one system to another. They add more indicators. They tweak settings endlessly. And every loss feels personal. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Two traders can trade the exact same strategy and get completely different results. One stays calm, follows the plan, manages risk, and grows steadily. The other overtrades, moves stop losses, chases price, and slowly drains their account. The difference isn't intelligence. It isn't screen time. It isn't luck. The difference is mindset. And today's video is about the mindset shift that separates losing traders from profitable ones. This isn't motivational talk. This isn't believe in yourself advice. This is practical, real world trading psychology explained in a simple way so you can actually apply it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why focusing on being right is destroying your results, why professional traders think in probabilities, not predictions, and why consistency comes from how you think, not what you trade. If you're a beginner, this video can save you years of frustration and account damage. If you're struggling to stay consistent, this might be the missing piece you've been ignoring. Because here's something no one tells beginners early enough: the market doesn't reward effort. It rewards discipline. It doesn't care about your opinion. It responds to behavior. And until your mindset matches how the market actually works, no strategy will save you. So if you've ever felt frustrated after a loss, angry at the market, confused why your good setups fail, or tempted to revenge trade just to make money back, you're not broken. You're just thinking about trading the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to help you shift that thinking step by step in plain language without hype. No complicated psychology terms, no unrealistic promises, just the core mindset change every profitable trader eventually makes. So take a deep breath, forget about indicators for a moment, and let's start with the real reason most traders never become profitable. It all begins with how you see the market. Let's get into it. Most beginners don't fail because they're lazy, because they're mentally fighting the market every single day. Let me explain. When you first start trading, you come in with expectations. You expect that if you analyze well, the market should reward you. You expect that a good setup should work. You expect that being right means making money. And when the market doesn't behave the way you expect, frustration kicks in. You start asking questions like, why did price reverse after my entry? My analysis was perfect, so why did I lose? Is the market manipulated? This is where most traders get stuck. They believe trading is about predicting what will happen next, up or down, buy or sell, win or lose. So every trade becomes a judgment on them as a trader. A winning trade feels like proof you're smart. A losing trade feels like proof you're bad at this. That emotional attachment is dangerous because once emotions get involved, logic disappears. Here's what that looks like in real trading behavior. You enter a trade and price goes slightly against you. Instead of accepting the risk, you panic, you move your stop loss just a little. Price keeps going against you, loss gets bigger than planned, or this, you take a loss. You feel the urge to make the money back. You jump into a low quality setup. You ignore your rules. You take another loss. Now you're not trading the market. You're trading your emotions. Another big problem beginners face is overconfidence after wins. You get a few winners in a row. Suddenly you feel unstoppable. You increase position size. You start taking marginal setups. You stop respecting risk. Then one bad trade wipes out days or weeks of progress. This emotional roller coaster happens because most beginners believe one lie. If I can just avoid losses, I'll be profitable. But losses are not the problem. Losses are part of the business. The real problem is how you react to them. Professionals expect losses. Beginners are shocked by them. That difference changes everything. Another pain point is information overload. You watch one YouTube video that says, buy breakouts. Another says, breakouts always fail. One trader uses indicators. Another trades naked charts. So what do? You mix everything together, you hesitate, you second guess, you exit too early or too late. And deep down, you start doubting yourself. This is why many traders say things like, I know what to do, but I can't execute. My strategy works on charts, but not when I trade leaf. That's not a strategy problem. That's a mindset problem. Because without the right mindset, you won't follow rules consistently, you won't manage risk properly, you won't survive losing streaks, and trading is a game of losing streaks. If this sounds familiar, here's the good news. You don't need to become emotionless. You don't need superhuman discipline, and you don't need to change who you are. You just need to make one core mindset shift, the one professionals make early on. In the next section, I'll break down that shift step by step in simple language so you can start thinking like a trader who actually survives and grows. Let's talk about how profitable traders really see the market. Now, let's talk about the mindset shift that changes everything. This is the moment most traders go from struggling to slowly becoming consistent. The shift is simple to say, but powerful to apply. Stop thinking in predictions. Start thinking in probabilities. Beginners try to predict. Professionals manage probabilities. Let me explain this in very simple terms. A prediction sounds like this price will go up. This breakout will work. This trade should win. A probability sounds like this setup has an edge over many trades. Sometimes it will win, sometimes it will lose. My job is to execute, not to be right. That difference changes your behavior immediately. When you think in predictions, every trade feels important. It feels like it has to work. And when it doesn't, emotions take over. When you think in probabilities, one trade means nothing. It's just one sample in a long series. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine flipping a coin that's slightly biased. It lands heads 55% of the time. That's an edge. But if you flip it once, anything can happen. You could get tails. Does that mean the coin is broken? No. Only after many flips does the edge show up. Trading works the same way. A strategy is not meant to win every trade. It's meant to be profitable over a large number of trades. This leads to the second mindset shift. Your job is not to make money. Your job is to follow your process. This sounds strange at first, but think about it. You cannot control what the market does. You cannot force price to move. You cannot guarantee outcomes. What can you control? Your entry rules, your stop loss, your position size. Your disciplined professional traders focus only on these. They ask, did I follow my rules? Not, did I make money? If they followed the rules and lost, it's still a good trade. If they broke the rules and won, still a bad trade. This mindset removes emotional attachment. Losses stop feeling like failure. They feel like business expenses. And this brings us to another critical shift. Risk first, profit second. Beginners focus on how much they can make. Professionals focus on how much they can lose. Before entering a trade, professionals already accept the loss. They are emotionally prepared for it. So when the stop loss is hit, there is no panic, no revenge trading, no rule breaking. That's why they survive long enough for their edge to play out. Let's simplify this further. A profitable trader believes three core truths. Losses are normal and expected. No single trade matters. Consistency beats intensity. They don't need to be right often. They just need to be disciplined often. Once this mindset clicks, trading becomes calmer. You stop forcing trades. You stop chasing price. You stop overreacting to every candle. You wait, you execute, you manage risk, and slowly consistency replaces chaos. In the next section, I'll show you a practical trading example that brings this mindset to life so you can see exactly how it works on a real chart. Let's make this real. Now let's bring this mindset shift into a real trading situation. Imagine you're looking at a simple price chart. No complicated indicators, just price moving up and down. You notice the market is in an uptrend. For beginners, an uptrend means price is going up, so I should buy. But a professional trader thinks differently. They ask, where is my edge? Where does price usually react? Where am I wrong if this trade fails? Let's walk through a realistic example. Step 1, identifying the setup. Price has been making higher highs and higher lows. This simply means buyers are in control. Price then pulls back to a previous support area. Support is a price level where buying pressure appeared before. A beginner sees this and thinks this has to bounce. A professional thinks this is a high probability area, not a guarantee. That difference matters. Step 2, planning the trade before entering. Before clicking the buy button, the professional trader answers 3 questions. Where do I enter? After price shows a sign of buying interest, not blindly. Where is my stop loss? Below support, where the trade idea is clearly invalid. How much am I risking? A small fixed percentage of the account, often 1% or less. This planning happens before the trade. Beginners often skip this step. They enter first and think later. Step 3, accepting both outcomes. Now the trade is placed. At this point, the professional trader is emotionally neutral. If price goes up, great. If price hits the stop loss, also fine. Why? Because the loss was planned and accepted. There is no shock, no anger, no urge to get it back. Compare this to the beginner mindset. Price moves slightly against them. They stare at the screen. They feel uncomfortable. They start interfering. That interference is what destroys accounts. Step 4, reviewing the trade correctly. Let's say the trade loses. A beginner asks, why does this always happen to me? A professional asks, did I follow my rules? If the answer is yes, the trade is logged as a success, even though it lost money, because success is defined by execution, not outcome. Now imagine this process repeated over 50 or 100 trades. Some trades win big, some lose small, many do nothing, but because risk is controlled and rules are followed, the itch plays out. This is how professionals stay consistent. They don't rely on confidence, they rely on structure. They don't trade hope, they trade plans. And most importantly, they don't let one trade affect the next one. This is what the probability mindset looks like in real time. In the next section, I'll give you clear, actionable takeaways you can start applying immediately to build this mindset in your own trading. Let's lock this in. Now let's break everything down into simple, actionable steps you can actually use. This section is about application, not theory. If you apply even one of these consistently, your trading will improve. Tip 1, redefine what a good trade means. This is the most important mindset shift. A good trade is not a winning trade. A good trade is one where you followed your rules. Ask yourself after every trade, did I follow my entry criteria? Did I respect my stop loss? Did I manage risk correctly? If the answer is yes, that trade was a success, regardless of profit or loss. This trains your brain to focus on process, not emotions. When you do this long enough, consistency naturally follows. Tip 2, risk so small that you don't care. Most emotional problems in trading come from risking too much. If one loss feels painful, your risk is too big. Professional traders risk an amount that allows them to think clearly, often 0.5% to 1% of their account per trade. When risk is small, you stop panicking, you stop moving stops, you stop revenge. Trading small losses keep you in the game long enough for your edge to work. Remember, you don't need to make money fast, you need to stay consistent. Tip 3, think in series, not single trades. Never judge yourself based on one trade. One trade is meaningless. Start thinking in batches of 20, 50 or 100 trades. Your job is to execute your strategy the same way every time. Wins and losses will mix together. That's normal. What matters is whether your edge plays out over time. This mindset removes pressure and builds discipline. Tip 40, journal execution, not just results. Most beginners journal profits and losses. Professionals journal behavior. Write things like, was I patient? Did I follow my plan? Did emotions influence my decisions? This builds self-awareness, and self-awareness is what turns average traders into consistent ones. Tip 50, detach your identity from outcomes. You are not your last trade. A loss doesn't mean you're bad. A win doesn't mean you're a genius. The market doesn't care who you are. And that's a good thing. When you detach emotionally, you trade better. Calmer decisions, clearer thinking, better results. If you apply these tips consistently, trading stops feeling chaotic. It becomes structured, predictable in process, and emotionally manageable. In the final section, I'll show you how to lock this mindset in and what to do next to continue growing as a trader. Let's wrap this up properly. Now let me leave you with this. Profitable trading is not about being smarter than the market. It's about being more disciplined than your emotions. Most traders spend years searching for the perfect strategy. Very few spend time building the mindset needed to execute one consistently. And that's why most people never make it. If there's one thing I want you to remember from this video, it's this: you don't need to win more. You need to execute better. When you focus on process instead of profit, results take care of themselves. So here's what I want you to do next. First, like this video if it helped you see trading differently. It tells the algorithm to show this content to more traders who are struggling. Second, subscribe to the channel if you want practical, no hype trading education. We focus on discipline, risk management, and thinking like a professional, not get rich quick promises. Third, comment below and tell me, what's the biggest mindset challenge you are facing right now in trading? Overtrading, fear of losses, revenge trading, lack of patience? I read the comments and your question might shape the next video. And finally, remember this: the market will always be uncertain. Losses will always exist. No strategy will ever be perfect. But with the right mindset, you don't need perfection. You need consistency. You need patience. You need discipline. If you commit to improving how you think, not just what you trade, profitability becomes a byproduct, not a struggle. So slow down, respect risk, trust the process, and I'll see you in the next video.